Hey there, welcome back to Torque Talk today. We're exposing something that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Mechanic scams. Yep, those sneaky tricks some auto shops pull to pad their bills. A 2023 survey by American Trucks found 50% of car owners have been offered unnecessary repairs, and 35% have been overcharged. That's huge! By the end of this video, you'll know the 15 most common mechanic scams that people fall for, and exactly how to avoid them. So, buckle up, stick around, and let's dive in. You head in for a simple oil change, and suddenly the mechanic says, "Oh no, we found a serious problem with your ball joints or suspension." Sounds urgent, right? But here's the deal. They might be making it up to inflate your bill. To avoid this, always ask to see the problem yourself. If they can't show you clear evidence, or if it's safe to drive, get a second opinion from another shop. Don't just take their word for it. The mechanic says something's wrong but won't show you the issue. They might say it's too complicated or you wouldn't get it. Shady, right? A good mechanic always shows you the problem and explains it simply. To dodge this scam, insist on seeing the issue. If they refuse, that's a red flag. Time to find a new shop. They won't give you back your old parts after a repair. Those parts are yours by law, but some shops claim they've thrown them out. Why? Maybe they didn't replace anything at all. To protect yourself, always ask for the old parts and their packaging, like the oil filter box. If they say no, that's a sign something's fishy. Ever get a bill that feels way too high? Some mechanics mark up parts or add extra labor hours to juice up the total. To avoid this, check part prices online at auto parts websites beforehand. And always get a detailed written quote with parts, labor, and taxes before the work starts. Compare quotes from multiple shops to keep things fair. Ever hear a mechanic throw around terms like transmission flush or fuel system cleaning to sound urgent? They're hoping you'll nod along, confused, and agree to pricey repairs. Don't fall for it. Ask for a simple explanation of what's wrong and why it's needed. Check your owner's manual or get a second opinion if it doesn't add up. Charging for parts they didn't replace. Yep, some shops charge you for new parts, but leave the old ones in your car, or swap in used ones. To catch this, ask to see the replaced parts and confirm they're new. An honest mechanic will show you the faulty parts before and after the repair. Don't let them skip this step. The low quote, high bill trick. They give you a cheap verbal quote, but the final bill? Way higher. They might claim unexpected issues popped up. To avoid this, always get a written estimate with all costs, parts, labor, taxes, and make sure the shop offers a 12-month guarantee on their work. Keep that receipt handy. You need a new air filter. They show you a filthy filter, but, plot twist, it might not even be from your car. Some shops keep dirty filters on hand to scam you. Check your owner's manual for the air filter replacement schedule, usually every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Or inspect the filter yourself before agreeing to a swap. The engine or transmission flush scam. These flushes are expensive and often unnecessary. In older cars, they can even cause damage. Check your owner's manual. Most manufacturers don't recommend flushes unless specific issues exist. Be super skeptical if they push this without proof. Your Freon is low. If your AC isn't cooling, some mechanics will charge for refrigerant without doing a proper check. Insist on a full AC diagnostic test and ask to see the results. If they can't show you proof, don't pay for it. No written estimate. A verbal quote leaves room for them to jack up the price later. Always demand a detailed written estimate before any work starts. It should list parts, labor, and taxes. No exceptions. They do extra repairs without asking you. Suddenly, your bill includes work you didn't approve. To avoid this, make sure all additional repairs are okayed by you, in writing or over the phone, before they start. Don't let them sneak in extras. Using cheap parts instead of OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts. These low-quality parts fail faster, costing you more later. Ask what parts they're using and request OEM or high-quality aftermarket ones. Check the packaging before they install anything. Faking a leak. Some mechanics spray coolant or fluid on a part to make it look like it's leaking, then charge you for a big repair, like a new radiator. Ask to see the leak and how they found it. Demand a pressure test or visual proof to confirm. The broken axle boot. Some shops cut the boot to make it look damaged, then charge you for a pricey replacement. Check the tear yourself. If it looks jagged or greasy, it might be tampering. Ask for an explanation or get a second opinion. There you have it, the 15 mechanic scams you need to watch out for. Most mechanics are honest, but knowing these tricks can save you from the shady ones. Always ask questions, demand transparency, and get second opinions if something feels off. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Got a mechanic scam story? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching and stay savvy out there. See you in the next one.